Pacific Ocean. Janie King here. Water Blessing Walk. And I'm here to offer some water to the ocean that has come from the well, artesian well of Bernice Endy. I'll offer to the ocean. To offer Ama blessed water to the ocean. I can open it. It's the Pacific Ocean. Next, Sacred Healing Waters from Patricia Coto Robles, offering it now to the Pacific Ocean. Take it away, Pacific, the love that we give to you. And now, lastly, water from John of God, I offer it now to you, Pacific Ocean. Thank you, thank you, thank you. As the day winds down, I was in another place earlier, a more secluded place where I said my prayers, but I was able to get here where I can actually, they've made this really nice little walkway deck that I can walk out and actually drop the water into the ocean. This is magnificent here, magnificent. I hope that the video does justice to the colors and the rocks and this amazing place. Let me walk around and show you what it looks like on this side. I don't know if you can see out there, but there's the Pacific, that's the Straits of Juan de Fuca. Oops. And back around to here. The cliffs overlooking the ocean at Cape Flattery. Cape Flattery, Nia Bay, Wisconsin. Washington, not Wisconsin, Washington. It's a W state, another W state. Janie King here, Water Blessing Walk. I love you, I love you, I love you. This is amazing, amazing place. Come here if you can. I know you're here with me in my heart. Remember, love your water.